This house, they bought it 2 years ago, and it just started sinking. So, all of these failed. We had an engineer come in. They actually hired a third-party engineer to come in and check it, and they agreed that all the piers had failed and they need to be redone. So, company doesn't exist anymore, which is common. They'll install concrete cylinders for 6-7 years, go out of business, change their name, change ownership or whatever, and wipe all the warranties away. So there is no warranty. I always tell everybody, when you're gonna have your foundation repaired, every company's gonna tell you have a lifetime warranty. There's always ways to get around that with foundation repair companies when it comes to your house, because drainage, if your drainage is bad, you lose your warranty. If your sewer pipes are broke, if there's a leak under the house, you lose your warranty. So all that's important. So you want to make sure all that gets checked when it gets lifted, because if you lift your home and you level it and you don't check the plumbing, it's going to fail. It's going to fail again. All it takes is water. No matter what kind of piers you put in, if water is introduced, it will fail over time. So it's important. Make sure if your contractor is not doing a post-lift static test, then you need to hire a third party to come in and do it, because it's that important.